मैं प्रणाम करता हूं आप सबकी उपस्थिति को। हमने लास्ट वेबिनार में एक्सेलरेटेड लर्निंग के बारे में बात करी थी। नॉर्मली क्या होता है कि एक्सेलरेटेड लर्निंग को एक्टिविटी से थोड़ा सा मिसअंडरस्टैंड कर दिया जाता है। Playway activity is a very important aspect of learning. Besides that, accelerated learning program is little or more different. Why I reached to that conclusion कि education in experience is more important than education in mark sheets. Values एक बहुत important part है हेमा फाउंडेशन के साथ में, इसीलिए हमने इस पार्ट को इंक्लूड किया कि how can we promote values and academics altogether. देखिए मैं आपको सही बता दूं, मैं एक लिटरली आपको बता रहा हूं कि बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स जिन्हों के बच्चे ALP सिस्टम में वर्क किए वो एक कंप्लेन आपसे जरूर आके करेंगे कि सर हमारे बच्चे they hug you more than us. Why do they come running to you? They don't even come to us that running. This is what ALP is. It reduces, eliminates entire fear from the mind of the children's. एक बहुत बड़े साइकोलॉजिस्ट हुए हैं डेनियल कॉनमैन, इनफैक्ट ही वाज इकोनॉमिस्ट। 2006 में ही वाज अ नोबेल लॉरेट और उन्होंने एक रिसर्च करी थी। इट वाज बेस्ड ऑन पनिशमेंट एंड रिवार्ड। ही प्रेफर्ड रिवार्ड ओवर पनिशमेंट्स। पनिशमेंट की एक कहानी होती है, पनिशमेंट याद ज्यादा दिनों तक रहता है, रिवार्ड याद कम दिन तक रहता है, लेकिन मेमोरी में you literally stay conscious about it less. So punishment is humiliating and wherever this humiliation comes, हमारा जो ब्रेन होता है उसमें बहुत ही प्राइमल ऑर्गन होता है इसका एमिगडाला। वो ऑक्सीजन को प्रीफ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स में सप्लाई होने नहीं देता है and you are not able to think. Thank you so much for listening me. Hopefully the ALP will be beneficial for the children's. Thank you so much.
So सबसे पहले मेरा नमन सभी गुणीजनों को। बेसिकली न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी जो अभी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने लाया है, if we look into this 64 page this document, I think this is a very small document, but what government tried to translate it into, in these 64 pages, one way the problem of the country is being narrated, दूसरी तरफ solution क्या है that is also being told, and तीसरी तरफ the timeline by which date we can achieve this. So मनुष्यता, मूल्यभूत जो इस टाइप का टर्मिनोलॉजी है उसको we have to internalize, and then only we can serve the peoples. And you peoples are doing a great job, and let me congratulate HEMA Foundations, and it's reached the way it is trying to connect the peoples. So, and that connections, it is I think over a period of time, network to network and inter-network, and these inter-networks all together we can do wonder, and definitely with हमारा संस्कृति को अपनाते हुए अगर हम उस दिशा में हम सब लोग मिलके काम करेंगे तो सेल्फ रिलायंट इंडिया with dignity we can live and lead the world as it was before. Thank you very much for inviting me, and once again my apology गुणीजन और सभी elderly people से thank you.
Namaskar to everyone.
Namaskar.
See, today is basically 110th birth anniversary of Mother Teresa, and Mother Teresa said that if life is not lived for other is not a life. So HEMA Foundation is basically doing things for the social cause, and it is imparting values in many ways, and especially the traditional values. So I was very meticulously listening what Dr. Nagpal Singh ji has put across, and this was really very enriching session because you know Mostly in school education, especially in the primary classes and middle school, we go for mugging up and all this thing, and after that fetch maximum marks, because we probably consider that more marks means you are more successful in academics and education, and thereby in life you will be probably able to establish yourself. But here the question is, job of education is to prepare you for job, to secure a job, to get a job, or to prepare you for life. Now, Dr. Bishwajit Saha, our chief guest and director, CBSE Training and Skill, also talked about happiness curriculum. We all know that Delhi School has done wonder, and happiness curriculum is really very nice, because I have also attended their webinar. So now this time we need to know, we need to understand how we need to inculcate value, how we need to impart the education in such a way so that our youngster, our kids are well equipped and they know how to tackle the adversity of life. See, normally we talk about someone, say he is very smart or she is very smart. Commonly we consider how he dressed up and all this thing. But the real meaning of smartness comes when someone knows that how to tackle the adverse situation. Right? We all are passing through the adverse situation. It's trying time all over the world. In India also, we are facing that same kind of problem. Namaskar ji.